these minutes, they keep on ticking. All these limits, they keep me kicking. And most these critics that's dissing or said I'm tripping, thank you for picking me up. I ain't quitting or giving it up. Too many enemies in my path. Reality shows kiss my ass, but I'm watching to get those laughs. Screaming at TV, win that cash. And that's when my lady calls. Priorities, or could've just stalled. Next I know, we're going shopping. Leather shoes bottom like big things popping. And that's the way love goes. Give it all till there ain't no more. Surf the net till eyes go so. A day in the life of an average Joe. Even though I travel the globe, rock shows come home with my head down low. Non-believers, zip your lip and believe I won't quit till I reach my goals. I know I won't have you in my way. Come on, and I'll keep pushing every single day. Yeah, I know you'll say all the things you say, but I'll keep pushing every single day. Come on, I know I won't have you in my way. Yeah, and I'll keep pushing every single day. Come on, I know you'll say all the things you say, but I'll keep pushing to that day. I know I won't have you in my way, but I'll keep pushing every single day. I know you'll say all the things you say, but I'll keep pushing. I say get on down to the fuck funky sound. Tell your neighbors and all the town I'm bringing hip hop with a signature sound. I ain't saying I'm breaking ground, but I rock plenty shows for those